Looking for a highly equipped SUV with all the right options and reliability? We'll take a look at this 2023 Jeep Grand Cherokee Summit Reserve 4xe in Diamond Black Crystal Pearl. With HID headlamps, premium fog lamps, 21-inch aluminum wheels, heads-up display, tow package, heated and ventilated front seating, heated steering wheel, 11,000 miles on the odometer, 10.1-inch touchscreen, navigation, remote start system, heated second row seats, dual pane panoramic sunroof, power liftgate, 2.0-liter turbocharged 4-cylinder engine, and so much more. For additional details, visit us at marinocjd.com, stock number D7292.
All Chrysler Group certified pre-owned vehicles pass a stringent inspection process, guaranteeing that only the finest vehicles get certified. Ask your dealer about available lifetime warranty upgrades. Chrysler Group certified pre-owned vehicles, the smart choice, factory-backed to go the distance. This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX vehicle history report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX buyback guarantee.